Right on the money. Oh, yeah. These tables go so perfect with this deck furniture. And believe it or not, each table only took like 2 hours to build with 2 coats of stain and everything. So like, mere mortals could probably build these tables in like 4 to 6 hours by themselves. It's pretty good. Start to finish project, 6 hours? No, seriously, you can build a table like this in 2 hours, or a stool or a table or a stool. You can do a 4-legged table or a 4-legged stool using the exact same jig. Oh, so anyways, this is a great little beginner tutorial project for somebody who wants to just get something done real quick. There's no plans for these, but the tutorials are going to be up on the school shortly, if they're not already. So if you're looking for something to cut your teeth, build yourself some little end tables. Super easy, kind of modern design. A little samurai touch to it, but simple, you know? Simple. It's the simple things in life that bring the most joy. Am I right? Yeah, you're right, samurai. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this project. I look forward to seeing all your pictures on the private Facebook group of dudes that are going out and building tables or stools using this method. I'm just about done building my conversion add-on that converts my samurai sawhorses that I just built the other week into an awesome sturdy workbench. I'm building a big glue-up table out of them, but there will be plans to also convert them into a collapsible workbench coming next, okay? So stay tuned for that, guys. Don't forget to check out my website. I got stickers, I got merch, I got plans. We've got a tool store, everything, samuraicarpenter.com. If you want more information about the school, you can check that out at samuraiskills.com. And until the next video, Samurai out.